Hey guys, how's it going? How to create Tonkeeper wallet for crypto. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type Tonkeeper, right? And then you're gonna download that Tonkeeper wallet. Now what you're gonna do, like any other account, you're gonna just go ahead and try to sign up with a new account, right? And basically what you're gonna do, create a new wallet or similar option, and then follow the instructions to set up your wallet. And then this will include creating a secure password and backing up your recovery phrase, and then write down the recovery phrase. After creating the wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase, and write this phrase down and store it in a secure location. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. And then once the setup is complete, you can use Tonkeeper wallet to manage and store your cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you will have a new Tonkeeper wallet ready for your crypto transactions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.